What is an introducing broker IB? An introducing broker IB acts as a bridge between a trading platform and new users. As an IB, you can earn income by referring new clients. Introduce users to Bifu through your unique referral code or link. Earning commissions. When referred users trade on the platform, you'll receive commission rewards based on their trading activity. This is a sustainable monetization partnership that helps others discover the Bifu platform while generating a stable income stream for you. How to become a Bifu IB? Become an IB partner in just 3 steps. Step 1. Invite qualified users. Click referral on the home page. Invite at least 3 new users. Step 2. Promote Bifu using your unique referral link or code. Step 3. Start earning commissions. Once your referred users deposit and trade, you'll start receiving commissions. Why choose Bifu's IB program? Bifu offers a stable, transparent, and highly competitive IB partnership program. Start your IB journey today.